Hi, we are Team NullPointer and this is our simulation for Lab 2. So we'll simulate the bot on this particular path. So we start from here. The first input would be zeros for the left and right sensors and high value in the middle sensor. So the output is 5051, which is VL, VR, and the direction respectively. So the bot moves ahead in the forward direction. For the next step, we would have similar readings. Again, the output is 5051. So till the bot reaches this first junction, we would keep on having such the same output. Now, once the bot reaches this junction, so sensor 1, 2, and 3 would have high values, while sensor 4 and 5 would be predominantly in the white area and would have lower values. So the input would be of this sort. Now the output is 4, 15, and 2, which is VL, VR, and 2. So 2 is the left direction, and VL is less than VR, which is expected here. Now the bot would move slightly to the left. So uh, still the last two pixels would have 0, but pixel values for the remaining 3 would change in such a manner. So it would be something like, so the output is 32,682. So we still are moving in the left direction and the velocities here have increased, so we have used the derivative term to scale the velocity, uh, moving ahead in a similar manner. uh, Now the leftmost sensor would predominantly be in the white area, so input would be something of this sorts. The output is 15,17,1, still moving, but we are now moving in the forward direction. VR is slightly more than VL, and finally we would land up in the central position. uh, so now we'll continue in the same direction, 5051, and doing this we'll reach the second junction, which is a right turn. So the input would be 0, 0, 1000, 1000, 1000. Now the output is VL is greater than VR and the direction is 3, which is we are moving in the right direction. So continuing with the same steps as in the last turn, we would get now we are moving in the forward direction. The bot is somewhere here. Again at the next turn, which is also a right turn, you would have a similar situation as the previous one. So we'll skip that for the simulation. Assuming our bot is on this line now, we'll continue there. Once we reach this block, so now all the sensors would have high values. All would be on the uh, black block. This is the end block, so the input would be something like 1000 for all. And if we keep on encountering these values, which means it is the end, our bot will stop. So VLVR is 0 and the direction is 0 as well, which is stop. So yeah, the bot stops here. Thank you.